Yo, 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 what up, my dudes? My name is Nathan, and welcome to another reaction video. Today I'm reacting to Going on a Journey with Rain and Confessing to Namine. That's right, two videos by Aryashadeslay VA. Because these two videos are going to end off the series with Rain and Namine. So, let's get right into this. Maybe she'll go back into them. I don't freaking know. She might be running out of ideas for these two, but that's fair. If you're running out of ideas, you're running out of ideas. Whatevs, it's fine. Or maybe they're just straining her throat.
I didn't expect to see you here. Yes, you actually caught me in the middle of a bad time. Yes, I'm actually packing up.
I mean, Bakugo's voice is straining on my throat,
Yes.
but I'm still doing it. Why? Because it's fun to do. And, people like it. And, heck, I'll do anything for my fans. Even if it means killing my throat. But it's fine. I did Bakugo's voice for a full hour and a half last night, didn't I?
Decision. But I've been thinking about it since the last time we talked. And I think that this is for the best.
Almost done with my tea, by the way.
Oh, no. It's nothing like that, I promise.
Alright.
Hey now. Listen. You don't need to worry about that, alright? I'll be fine. You're still going to be worried about me either way. You're too kind.
That's what people do, apparently.
I appreciate that. But you don't need to worry about me. We're both adults. We can take care of ourselves.
I mean, technically I'm 17. Well, I'm 17, so I'm not really an adult yet. I'm almost an adult.
It'll be the end of the world, but it won't be. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Hey now. Look at me, alright? As your teacher, I want you to have a smile on your face. Always ready to do anything.
I'm not a Jebel.
You have graduation soon, don't you? So you've already turned in your graduation thesis. That means you're pretty much done. Congratulations. I hope that you find the job or the passion that suits you.
Probably not.
Wait. What? You want to come with me? But why? No. There's no need for that. You don't need to come with me. I'm not... Listen, I understand that you're trying to...
Does the listener keep cutting her off?
You have something to say to me. All right. What is it? You... What? You... like me? Like, in what capacity?
It always happens like this. It always goes like this. This is awesome. I like how it goes like this and just progresses and it's just all awkward for a bit and then just boom.
Well, that took a surprising turn. I wasn't expecting that at all. You thought that if you confessed how you felt, then I wouldn't leave? Oh, my goodness. You don't need to think like that. I'm sure I'll return soon.
Never tell him. You can never tell how the world goes.
How do I feel? It caught me off guard.
As always.
really don't have an answer.
Who does have an answer when it comes to these kinds of things?
You're right. I do have an answer. I'm just
Oh.
actually nervous to say it. I can say officially that I like you as well. Yes, I do. Romantically. I know that it may seem weird, but I'm not normally one for expressing my emotions this way. So I apologize if it seems like I'm being heartless or I don't care. Yes, I see what you mean.
What? Why?
Yes. You have an offer for me? All right. But you'll come with me? On... Really? I mean, you'd want to?
Didn't we already come to this conclusion?
I just...
Didn't we already ask to come with you? Rain?
You're full of surprises. Hmm? Oh. Well...
What?
Hmm? Yes. Actually, yes. You can come with me. Of course. I mean, yes. I know that it's not something that you were fully expecting me to answer, but I believe that the two of us together will make a great partnership. Yes. As both romantically as it is physically. As in physical strength, I mean. Yes, I'm...
Sorry, I love doing
quite
that.
nervous. I've never really been in a romantic relationship before.
Ask Deku for some pointers. He might be able to help. I swear, if there's a crossover between two of these... Like, we've already had a Sue and Deku crossover, and Deku and younger Deku crossover. Oh god, if there's a crossover... You know, Aryashadeslay VA, if you had some Bakugo stuff that you don't want to go to waste, call me up. I'll do the Bakugo stuff. And Shigaraki, too. Once I scrape together a few friends, I'll become a leader. Sure thing, nerd, yeah. What am I saying? I'm already... I got enough to do as it is. What am I saying?
This staff.
Staff.
Is this for me? It's beautiful. It looks very powerful as well. Where did you find this? You made it?
How did I make a staff like that?
Wow. You're really good with craftsmanship.
What? I'm terrible with craftsmanship. I just got this mug and put tape on it. I didn't even decorate the tape or anything. I'm not good with craftsmanship. Don't even give me that crap.
I love it.
And this wallet.
Thank you very much.
I didn't even make it either.
I'll put this to good use.
And this card. Don't even get me started on anything. I did not.
Actually,
I'm not good with craftsmanship.
with your craftsmanship, we might be able to restore some ancient artifacts.
Restore some shit. What?
Or maybe go ruin delving. Oh my goodness, this could be so much fun. I'm sorry.
You got a little too excited there.
Excited when it comes to ruins. You're looking forward to it.
kind of not sure how to feel.
Yes, I'm excited as well. I'm very excited. The fact that the two of us are going on a journey like this together, it makes me very happy, and I'm excited to see where we'll go.
I'm not.
Where we'll explore what new journeys we can take. Just you and me. Yes. I believe. For a nickname, I think I'm going to call you... I don't know. We'll figure things out as we go. Right. Let's stop by our house, gather your belongings, and then we'll start this journey together. As a couple. Hello there. Rain Sage here. Make sure that you like, comment down below, and consider subscribing to the channel if you are new. Also, ring the bell for notifications so that you never miss a video. Arya uploads daily, so make sure to check out all of her content. Hope to see you next time. Farewell.
Well, moving on to the next one. Now, we're confessing to Namine to end this series off as well. Well, let's get into this.
Huh? Oh, hey there. It's good to see you again. Yes. I apologize for the whole incident that happened the other day. I'm terribly sorry. I don't know how that happened.
I'm confused.
Yes. It... I don't know what happened, and I'm terribly sorry if it made you uncomfortable in any way. You thought it was cute.
Cute? What?
I don't entirely understand.
Me neither, that's why I'm confused.
If you weren't uncomfortable with it, then...
Man, Namine and Rain were the most underrated characters on here.
Huh?
Minetta, I'm
You have something to tell me?
I'm not surprised it ended where it ended, and Shigaraki also not surprised that it ended where it ended, because Shigaraki's an asshole and Minetta's a piece of shit.
No, I won't.
Now as for Rain and Namine...
Why would I judge you any differently, just because of what you're going to say? Huh?
I'm not sure why
No,
these
not
ended
at all.
where they are, because... Well, I'm not really sure.
I understand.
Again, I'm pretty sure I did say I'm not sure why it's ending, but whatever. It's fine.
It is.
Hmm?
Well, all I can say is then, what is it? I'm willing to listen to it, because it sounds important to you.
Important?
Yes, I just want to make sure that you can tell me anything. Yes. Yes. It's true. I'm willing to listen to anything you have to say. So go ahead. I'm right here listening with you. It's about me.
Well...
What about me? Did
Well,
I do something wrong?
The series was about you, that's for sure.
No. Then what is it? feelings for me. What does that mean? Wait, that means that you love me? I... It... What? Don't understand. Why? Why would you... Huh? Why would you love me? It's... Huh? No, it's not bad. It's just I don't know how to react. I'm quite nervous, actually. I've never had anyone admit... I've never had anyone admit that they like me that much. It's quite surprising. And... It's... Huh? No, I'm not rejecting you, I just...
Imagine if I did get rejected right then and there.
Answer. Wait. I just need a minute to think about my answer. It's not a no. It's not a yes, though, either. I need a little bit of time. Yes, I'll be right back. I promise. All right, I'm back. It's not something that I'm familiar with, but I believe that... Yes, I believe that I have had feelings for you as well. I just didn't know how to express them. Like I said before, I wasn't always like this. And...
Well, we all know that you weren't always human. Well, I don't really know Namine's story because I'm not really sure what Kingdom Hearts is.
Amazing.
I know very little. I know Sora, Goofy, Donald, Heartless, Mickey, and all the other Disney characters, but I don't know much about Kingdom Hearts.
Willing to...
I also know the organization. Well, the boss of the organization, who apparently is a dick.
Friend? Yes, I'm willing to be your girlfriend because I have the same feelings for you. I know it may be awkward, but I...
Awkward, huh?
I hope that you allow me to, and it won't be too complicated.
Trust me, with me things are never complicated. Well, actually, that might be not. That might not be true.
You'll allow me to? Wow. Yes. Thank you. Absolutely. Yes. No. It's... Yes. I was wondering, though. Should I give you a nickname?
Nicknames?
Yeah. Like, you know, what they call you, like, sweetie, or...
For God's sakes. Are nicknames really necessary in a relationship? Are they? Because I don't know. Are they really necessary? I don't know.
maybe I should call you my Starshine.
Starshine?
How does that sound?
I have no idea what that is, but okay. Seriously.
I'm sorry if it's too much. It's just...
Crap.
Huh? You like it? You really do like it?
What is...
My
Oh, God.
Wow. It's amazing.
I don't know much about relationships, so I don't really know anything about
Yes.
these nickname things.
Very, very happy. And, well, I hope that we'll be a good couple together.
I'm sure.
Yes. It'll be a great time for the both of us.
Oh, I'm sure.
We'll both get to know each other better and, well, spend more time with each other, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You do. Well, I look forward to it. Does that mean that we should go on a date?
God damn, what is... I don't even know...
Yes, I would love to.
Arya, these videos are amazing.
This will be my first date, so I hope that we'll be able to have a good time together. Yes. Thank you for asking me out, my Starshine. Hello there.
And that's it. The end of the Rain and Namine series. This was a major treat to do. Reacting to 2 videos at once. Holy damn. I don't even know what to say. The way they went out was amazing. They went out with a bang. And, well, here's 2 more characters coming out in the future. I don't know who's coming now and taking their places, but Arya, if you're watching this, that was awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and what else am I saying? Whatever. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Peace out, y'all. Oh, and ring the bell for notifications. I almost forgot to mention that. Alright, peace out, y'all.